All right, let's continue. We know that rocks have to be a solid. We know that they have to be made out of minerals. And the third thing is they have to be formed within the earth using a geological process. Those are things like intense pressure squeezing on it or heating up and cooling down. They're not formed by living things like you and me. They're not formed by sea creatures making a shell. Those don't count as rocks. All right. So here you're going to learn about wood and you're going to be filling out this diagram. Wood can be we're going to be matching up these blue things to the blue boxes. You're going to be matching up these symbols to either to coal or to charcoal. Coal and charcoal look a lot alike, but one of them is not a rock. So in one of these is formed, and you're going to tell by the reading, by either being burnt by a forest fire or a man-made fire. Is that charcoal or is that coal? And the other one is formed by being compressed under rock and heated for millions of years. Is that charcoal or is that coal? You have to decide. One of those, therefore, was not formed by the earth. One of those was not made of minerals. In fact, one of those is just made of wood that wasn't really turned into a rock. Do you think that's charcoal or do you think that's coal? If you need an extra hint, click up above here where it says a matter of geology and click this and I'll read it out loud to you and give you another hint. Let's keep going. Now we've looked at all the three things that make rocks rocks. Now we're going to start identifying which things are rocks. So we have to summarize this. A rock is a blank substance made up of one or more blanks and is formed by blank processes. So these three words in each answer are going to go in here in that order. So is a rock a solid substance made up of one or more minerals and formed by biological processes? I don't know if that one sounds quite right. Find the answer that works. And then which of the following are rocks? You can check as many or as few of these as you want. So you have to decide which of those are rocks. Is soil a rock? Is it a solid? Is it made out of minerals? And is it made by geological processes? You're going to have to remember that. All right. So there's 4 there. Some of those are rocks and some of them are not. Please don't choose I'm not sure. Think about this and try your best. All right.